To set up eSIM on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, we'll need to open the settings on our device. Next step is to enter connections right here, and then we'll be able to find the SIM manager. If you entered it, you can click on this plus button, which allows you to set up eSIM. So wait a few moments until the mobile network information is gathered, and then we'll be able to transfer SIM from Galaxy or Android phone. But keep in mind that if you can see this feature, it doesn't mean that you'll be able to do it, because it's only supported in only few regions. So if it doesn't work for you, then you will need to set up your eSIM using a QR code that is added to the carrier for your eSIM, and you can also scan it from already taken image if you have one, and you can also enter activation code manually to do it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.